Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Super Dispatch, BOL and ePOD app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Super Dispatch is a digital logistics and documentation app designed for car haulers, enabling carriers and drivers to manage their entire workflow in one place. Originally built to replace paper bills of lading, the app has grown into a full end-to-end platform for dispatching, load management, tracking, and electronic proof of delivery, ePOD. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with the Super Dispatch Carrier TMS for seamless fleet operations. The app's main feature is its digital BOL and ePOD system. Drivers can inspect vehicles, add photos, mark damages, capture electronic signatures, and submit documents instantly. It also helps users track loads in real time, communicate with dispatchers, and manage pickup and delivery appointments without paperwork. Automated updates ensure shippers and brokers receive status changes the moment they occur. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many carriers appreciate its streamlined workflow, fast documentation, and reduced paperwork errors. The app improves communication between dispatchers and drivers, offers clear load details, and helps prevent disputes with time-stamped inspection photos. Users also like the ability to receive load offers directly in the app through the Super Load Board. However, there are some drawbacks. Full functionality requires pairing the app with the Super Dispatch TMS, which may involve subscription fees. Some users report occasional syncing delays or slow uploads when internet connectivity is weak. Additionally, new drivers may need time to learn the inspection and upload workflow. In summary, the Super Dispatch app may be worth using if you want a reliable digital BOL solution, real-time load tracking, and faster document processing without paperwork. However, if you prefer manual logs or don't want to rely on mobile data for uploads, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.